So a matrix is a rectangular organized array of numbers. It really just sort of holds data. So matrices are tools for organizing and storing information, management of information such as cost of materials, time to produce each item, available inventory by month, needed inventory. Those types of things can all be stored or written within a matrix. So we can use matrices for all sorts of things. Dimensions are the labels or how we use to describe matrices, and we name them rows by columns. The number of rows they have by the number of columns they have. So we have to remember that rows are what go across and columns are the vertical items that go up and down. So the first one you actually couldn't get it wrong because it's exactly the same number of rows and columns, but it's 3 rows by 3 columns. So we would just say this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Your second one, how many rows does it have across? 3 by how many columns? 2. So this would be a 3 by 2 matrix. And your last one, it looks a little weird, but it's really just 1 row across and then how many columns? 4. So 1 by 4. Looks a little goofy, but that would be the dimensions for that one. So when we're operating with matrices, we can add and subtract them, we can solve for variables, we can multiply them, just like anything else. Two matrices are equal, though, if and only if their corresponding values are equal. So down below, you guys can solve for these equations, assuming that all the corresponding values are the same. So we'll look at that in the next video or screencast.